Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Deck. This is the part 1 of my CSS crash course series. So let's get started. So this is where we stopped in the HTML. Now we'll add CSS to this. Okay, so for that I have to open the index.html guys, and then I'll go to file, then new file, save it. I'll put the name style.css. Okay, save that. Okay, now for that you have to put a link in index.html, otherwise the thing that we do in CSS will not upload in HTML, which is this page. Okay, now just after the title we'll put the link. For that we have to put link tab, and then here we'll put style.css. Save that. Okay, so now in style.css we need to make this in red. So for that we'll go here and then put class h1. Save that. Here we'll put dot h1 bracket. Inside that we'll write color red. Save that. Reload here, and now we change to red. So now here the backlink, we need to make the backlink without this underline and make it black. Okay, so for that we'll go to the backlink here. Now we'll put class and then put backlink. Okay, save that. Now enter, put backlink bracket. Okay, so the bracket I'll put color black. Okay, save that. Reload. So it went to black. Now I'll take out the underline. For that we'll put text decoration, put none. Save that and reload, and now there is no underline. If you want to put underline in any of these, okay, suppose we'll put underline in h1. For that put here text decoration underline. Save that. Reload, and now there's an underline which will be the same color as the text. Okay, so now to this I need to make this pic small. Okay, for that I will do it right here. Okay, so in this we'll put style, we'll put the width, let's say 2 save that. Okay, right there, maybe 25, save that. Reload. Yeah, that's much better. Now I want these to align like this. So for that, no wait, let's make these align like this. For that you have to go to this UL and put class align. Okay, save that. Here I put align bracket. Now inside that I'll put text align center. Okay, that's it for today. Now in the next part of this series, I will show how to put a picture in the background and then edit it to match however you want it to be, and put the size, cover it all, and edit the forms. So I hope you like this video. Thank you, and we'll see you next time. Bye.